How to contact Temu customer support. Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you through that. So open up the Temu application and sign in into your account. And once you are signed in, you can head over to the account page, your account page, tap on the bottom right corner, the U tab, and your account page appears. Now, once you are in the space, you can directly find an option called headphone at the very top right corner of your screen. Tap on it and your customer support page appears here. So here you will be finding guidelines regarding any questions, different help articles available. But if you'd like to go ahead and contact them directly, when you scroll down, you can still find an option called contact us. Head over and tap on that option. And when you tap on it, here you can go ahead and chat live with them. So here in this type here section, you can just go ahead and provide in your details that you would like to specify with, like if you'd like to go to the specific orders, order details, or find anything or ask any questions, you can just go ahead and type it here. After that, tap on this arrow icon. And once you do so, they should provide you with the personalized assistance and they should help you. And the chat support is available 24/7. You can contact them. If not here, you can directly find their phone number in their available website. Just go to their website. In that way, also, you can go ahead and contact customer support of Temu. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd like to contact Temu customer support, you may head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.